The Dodge R5 P7. This thing sounds better than my girlfriend when she's about to hit high RPM. That's got me thinking they must be identical twins because when they blow a rod, they both cost you a lot of money. Guys, this could be a very streetable engine, although it's made for high RPM. Less than 12-to-1 compression, 58cc heads, and 2.1 intake valves. Man, backed by a manual trans and a 456 rear end, this is a very streetable engine. Man, that means you could run this nugget on E85, no problem. These kits come at 358s, 365s, race car shit.